N8N where it will handle all your, customer queries within the WhatsApp. So most of us will simply, give out our WhatsApp channels as customer queries to receive customer queries, right? So all those basic and moderate customer queries will be answered within your WhatsApp without leaving your WhatsApp. I was not even kidding. So let me just, show you the demo. But before, let me just explain this whole thing. So this is the main workflow, which, automates the whole WhatsApp conversations. But before even going to that workflow, we have to run this workflow only once because the whole automation was the LLM will simply automate the WhatsApp business conversations only because we simply store our knowledge base about the business into the database in vector form. So that's how the RAG works, right? So for the before only step here is we have to run this workflow only once. So just a second. So this is our database over here. So as you know, Supabase is can handle vector stores too because it had an extension called PG vector. So we can enable that and we can simply use Supabase as our vector storage too. And we can so technically it is compatible to build RAG applications. So that's how the whole thing works, right? So just a second. So have a look over here. We already got the whole content and got stored in our technically the whole knowledge base was embedded and stored in the vector form. So right now we can check this particular workflow. So just a second. So I just asked it you know the moderate question. Let's just see will this work or not. Yeah, absolutely. Just have a look. So it clearly, solves the user's query based on our, trained knowledge base. Technically, our knowledge base was stored in database, right? So based on that knowledge base about our business, this particular AI agent was dynamically, handling the user queries. So that's where, and this whole part was, simply automating within the WhatsApp. There is no other thing we have to run apart from N8N. Obviously, this N8N workflow also. That's it for today.